Howdy fellas. Welcome to another Smelter Workshop video, presented by Software Mansion, me, and, even if he doesn't know it yet, Alan Alcorn, the creator of Pong. Today, I'll build a fully playable Pong, live inside the stream with the help of AI. Quick fun fact, the original 1972 Pong was a training exercise Nolan Bushnell gave Alan as his first project at Atari. Weeks after launch, the prototype at Andy Cap's Tavern broke down, not because it was faulty, but because the coin box was so packed with quarters, it refused to take any more. Nice full circle, by the way. Pong was originally a video game, and now it's literally a game living inside a video. You can grab the Smelter and Smelter Skills repos from here. As before, I'll build inside the Smelter Editor for convenience, but with Smelter Skills, you can do this from scratch in your own project. Why I decided to use a shader. In Smelter, shaders run per pixel on every output frame and have direct access to the input video as a texture, so we can paint Pong on top of the live input, with the input itself rendered inside the ball entirely on the GPU at stream frame rate. The plan, a Pong panel in the editor dashboard, 2 paddles switchable between keyboard, mouse, and AI, with adjustable difficulty and match length. The editor's game state drives the shader over a low-latency WebSocket, so what I play is exactly what viewers see. Let's launch the AI agent and burn through some tokens. A new Pong panel appears. I attach the shader to an input. The panel auto-detects it as the stream target. The stream is already showing autoplay. Left paddle on keyboard, right on AI medium, start. And the stream snaps over to my actual game. W and S, move the paddle. The AI reacts with believable lag, and my webcam feed is rendered inside the ball. I mapped a gamepad to keyboard inputs on my side, so I can play this from the couch. Fun detail, the deflection angle on each hit depends on where the ball lands, relative to the paddle's center. The same trick Alan put into the 1972 cabinet to make rallies feel skill-based instead of random. Imagine a tournament intermission, a charity stream, or a BRB screen, where instead of a placeholder, viewers get a live Pong match inside the broadcast. No extra hardware, no OBS gymnastics. Prompt and links are in the description. Play with it and see what you can build. Thanks for watching. See you in the next Smelter Workshop video.